Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time, please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Also, if there's a dish that you want me to whip up for you, please go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll see if I can do that. This is a request from one of my subscribers and I am making Jamaican Toto. This is a cake. It's also called coconut cake. The main ingredients is coconut. This is about 2 cups of grated coconut. I'm gonna use 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of nutmeg, which is already grated, a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 2 eggs, softened butter, or you could have melted it if you wanted, that's fine, a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half of vanilla, and 2 cups of sugar, brown sugar. And 2 cups of milk. We're just gonna measure from the containers tonight. It is late, so that's 2 cups of sugar. That's 4 ounces, 4 tablespoons of butter. As I said, it's softened butter. 1 teaspoon. Baking powder, and you just throw everything in. No need to separate anything. This mixture is done almost like a pudding, except it is not as soft as a pudding. It's a much firmer cake, but it's harder than a regular cake. It has a tough consistency. We're gonna throw our vanilla in, about a tablespoon and a half, and also a pinch of salt. That's 2 cups of milk. And we're gonna mix this all in. 2 eggs. Just a pinch of salt and 2 cups of flour. And no, this is not sift. Oh, so a little bit more than 2 cups. As I said, we're gonna mix this together. And you'd have your oven preheated at 350 and your baking dish greased and ready to go. You see, this is a little thicker than your pudding would be, but it is also much more watery than you would do a traditional cake. Okay, so our batter is ready. I think I gotta get out of my kitchen. Yes, I'm recording.
That looks delicious.
Oh, oops. It does, doesn't it? Okay. So this is the consistency you're looking for, guys, and you will get a nice firm bread cooked cake. That's just a sample for me. And this tastes so good. You want to taste, Malik?
Most definitely.
How it is.
What is this?
Toto.
Ooh, this is big.
Okay, guys, see you in a few. Our Toto is all done. And I'm gonna remove it and set it to cool. Happy eating, happy cooking, guys. Enjoy your kitchen. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment if there's a dish you want me to make, and I'll try to whip that up for you. Have a good one.